greater in terms of rank. In other words, there's one ranking system. This is rank number 1, this is rank number 2, this is rank number 3, rank number 4, rank number 5. Allah says the akhirah is even more vast in terms of multitudes of ranks. In other words, one person has a high rank in salat, but a low rank in understanding. So you're not graded on one thing, you're graded on multiple things. You know how in sports they have these complicated stats, free throw average, steals, defense, this, that, the other. There's multiple skill sets that are being graded. And in some you rank the top, and in some you rank the bottom, and in some it's ranked out. It's kind of like that. We're multiple darajat we're going to be scaled on. It's not one thing. It's not one thing. That's why, we are supposed to meet a bare minimum in all of our expectations. But if Allah has given you a gift in something, if you find that Allah has given you a gift in something, instead of pretending to be humble, you should exhaust your gift for good. Like, exhaust your gift for good. You're not as good as others in certain things. Maybe your patience, maybe your dealings with people, I don't know. Maybe there's some things you have a problem with. You're not very good at. You're supposed to be. You meet a minimal standard. You're not like a shaitan in dealing with people, but you're still kind of rough around the edges. Maybe you shouldn't work in customer service, that sort of thing. Right? Maybe government job is better for you then. Possibly the post office. Right? But in any case, there are some other things you're very good at. There are other things, for the sake of Allah, you're an excellent writer. You're an excellent writer, and you have the ability to write, very creatively, or very, very well. You don't tell yourself, well, I'm not even a nice person to others, how can I write something? You don't do that. Because your intentions aren't for people. Your intentions are, what gift Allah has given me, I should exhaust. I should give my best. And I should acknowledge at the same time my shortcomings. So the good I do, it shouldn't, in my mind, erase the flaws I have. Those are other darajat. But I should try to do more and more good in whatever gift Allah has given me, so in Allah's sight, it covers for some of my other flaws. The real problem happens when you take your good, and you think in dunya it should cover your other flaws. That's a real problem. Right? So if I, for instance, I'm very lazy, but I'm a good teacher, then, my teaching should cover for my laziness, or my anger, or my whatever. No, it doesn't cover for it. But you're hoping with Allah Azza wa Jal, whatever shortcomings you have in other areas of life, and Allah knows them, and it's an open book, hopefully these extra things I'm trying to do, or this additional exhaustion I'm trying to make, hopefully it'll be appreciated. وَكَانَ سَعْيُهُمْ مَشْكُورًا. It'll be appreciated. انظر كيف فضلنا بعضهم على بعض وللآخرة أكبر